Okay, today I'm going to show you how you can identify your file size. Perhaps you got your computer that has been running very slowly and you don't know what is making it slow or what files has causing it to be slow. First thing first, what you need to do is just go on your files here, your folder, and then click on folder and let it open up. And what next you need to do is go ahead and click on this PC if you're using the PC, and then look at your disk, your main disk, the disk C on which you have all your program software installed primarily. You see, mine is red. If yours is red, today you will know which file is heavy or which program is really heavy, and that way you have a clear mind to decide what file to compress or what program you want to remove off your disk so that your computer can run smoothly. Alright, let's open it, and then I have it open here. So one of the things you can do is just select the files. Like, you check, you have to just do a bound search, right? Select one files and then go ahead and click on property, click the Windows of property, and now select property itself. You can see that file is empty. So not empty, actually I would say the size is 0 byte, and the size on disk is 0 byte as well. So that shouldn't be a problem for my computer. I'm going to just select another one, OneDrive temporary, and again I'm going to select property, Windows, and select property. Again, I'm seeing 0 byte on disk and 0 byte has file size. Next, let me just select program files here, and then again click on the property window and select property. And now, as you can see, the pop-up is going to calculate automatically. That import is going to calculate automatically and identify and tell you the size of that files or program. You can see my program files are 19.5 gig, right? That the file size, right? But the file size on disk is also 19.5 gig, which is really heavy on my disk C. I'm going to say okay, and now let me check another one. My first one is 19.5 gig, and again property Windows, and again it's going to quickly calculate and tell me how much is that file's weight. So it's 6.77 gig and 5 gig on my disk, which is not really heavy compared to the first one. And now let's check on, let me go ahead and just select another one, users. I have multiple users on this computer. Probably that could be one of the problem. Let me see, it's going to calculate again, and then here it goes calculating again, and oops, wow, that's really heavy. So users file size is what, 103 gig. That's crazy ho. And then size on disk is 98.9 gig. That's actually really heavy. I might have to do something to resolve this, otherwise my computer won't last any longer. It's going to crash on me anytime soon. Well, and then again, let me check another one again to see if it's heavy or not. For Windows, here it goes again. And as you can see, it doesn't really take long or much time to finish calculating for you to know how much that program or file is, or how much space or storage that files or program is taking on your disk C. Large files are known to cause your computer to be really slow. So if you got a very large files like what I've got on my users files, so you should do something to resolve it. If you don't know how you can resolve that problem without losing your vital data, stay tuned and watch my next tutorials or tip that is going to come soon. I'm going to show you how uh, you can save storage and not lose your vital informations. If you're watching it past the posted date, maybe you should check out how to check or how to save your file storage or how to save storage on your main disk on this channel. So it goes on and goes on and goes on. Pretty much that's how you can really identify how much each one of your program or software you have installed on your main disk C, how much do they weigh or how much storage are they using, so you can save much more storage and have your computer running smoothly. That's it for today.